Okay, so I think I'm the first person to swatch this CND Shellac collection because it's still kind of summer outside, and this is the winter collection. So winter 2024 holiday collection. Winter Warrior, I'm actually very curious how this is going to look. Fantasy Realm, Battle Royale, Day to Night, Opulent Onyx, Dragon Slay All Day. So we're going to swatch these on like real nails to show you how they look. And you know what? We took off gel. So we didn't take off the nails, we took off the gel. So it's not going to be super perfect, but that's how it is sometimes in the salon. So I'm going to first swatch this one because I'm very curious. It's actually interesting collection, but we'll see. So I'm going to tell you what my first impressions are because this is the first time I'm seeing these colors. By the way, I had someone from Canada bring me these colors, so they're not available here yet. So this is actually really nice. It's like a white shimmer. But this is not going to be a good topper because it has quite coverage. So this one has a little bit less glitter, a little bit less texture. It's similar to one of the colors. Actually, I really like it too. Really good. This is so pretty because when you move the nail, it has like, it doesn't have like a yellow flash to it or beige or anything. It just looks really nice and bright. Amazing for like weddings, no? Okay, let's do black, no? Let's see. Opulent Onyx. So I'm curious if this is going to be like grainy or not. I think so. I'm not a huge fan of these grainy kind of finishes because when you put a top coat, some people, they really don't like it. And the glitter is not, I mixed them properly, but it's not like, actually, we'll see. Looks actually pretty interesting. Okay, what's next? What's next?
Rojo.
Huh?
Czerwony.
Okay. This one, Dragon Slay All Day. I think I'm gonna use this on my mom because she likes the like a red colors. Okay, so this is very interesting. It's like bright. It's hard to describe. There's like a glow to it. Okay, this one is very different. In this opinion, yeah? Wow, no, this is really cool. Okay, and let's do the blue. In this one, what happened was I touched the towel, so it has some fuzzies. So this one is, it's the worst color to apply over uneven nails, but we'll try. So this has like a shimmer, like a kind of like a pearl. Yeah, there's some little fuzzies, but oh well. Okay, let's cure. I'm going to, this is actually a really cool combination. Just touch up the free edge a little bit. By the way, I love the new brushes. They make all the difference in the world. See, so when the gel polish, I'm going to do a close-up. So when the gel polish cures, it kind of shrinks a little bit. And it moves away, especially from the free edge. So when you freeze cure this layer, so it doesn't move anymore, and then you apply like the thinnest little coat of this, the same color, it stays on the end. It doesn't move back with the rest of it. And not all the colors need it, to be honest with you. This one probably doesn't need it, but some of them do. It also depends on the shape of the nails. So I just do that on one coat, because this is kind of thicker. So almost when you look from the side, it almost has like this ledge. So the second coat is going to fit perfectly between this end and that edge. It's going to be perfectly even. So I move the skin back. So this, for example, could be applied, like I said, it's not a good topper, but you could apply it over white. Probably. But you know what? No, I would just apply the way it is. Because it has good coverage, not 100%, but like 90%. Which gives the finished look almost like this lightness to it. This reminds me of pen something. Jak to się nazywa? Pen.
Yeah.
One of the colors.
Nie. Jest zwierzątko.
Nazwa Shellac'a. My God. Okay, so the second coat. It's black, but it looks kind of green. It's actually very pretty. Covers really well. This one is stunning. These blues kind of, I don't know. Not everyone can wear these.
Biały na to zrobić? Na to zrobić biały, ten błyszczący?
Yeah. So you can use some kind of a white over it, for example. The other one. Could be. Yeah, it has the little fuzzies, but oh well. Okay, so we're gonna do Express 5 because it soaks up very well. By the way, the Express 5 is not really recommended, but I mean, test it out on nails that like light colors because it can pick up like stain from clothes and things like that. But on dark colors, especially people that have very strong, thick nails, it's amazing. So it's very important to mix the shellac properly, and I do recommend having a mixer. So this one is kind of a little bit sheer. So far. Sometimes that's not a bad thing, because sometimes it gives the color more like depth or something. So apparently my sister is saying that this color, the Hypnotic Dreams, it's good over like purples because it has that shift. So by itself, it's kind of a weird color. Has like that green undertone or something, but on top of another color, apparently it's beautiful. This is a really good purple. Mm-hmm. It's actually purple. That's beautiful. Has to be mixed better? Ah, okay, so I mean, right now we're applying with the top coat on. It's still beautiful, but it grabs better when there is no top coat. It grabs better to the color. But yeah, stunning. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. See you soon. Bye. You don't use it? Nie używasz?
Może nawet nie wiem, wiesz?
Serio? Okay, this is a nice color. I love it. It's a really good neutral. I used it quite a bit with clients. But yeah, this one is a little bit more shimmery. Yeah. No, actually it's not, you see? The bottle looks more shimmery, but it's more pearly. Okay, this versus this is funny because the containers actually could be switched, no? Yeah?
Tak, tak.
This is a little bit more beige or something.
Były dwa takie podobne, miałam kiedyś.